Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome again to Just in One channel. And today I am here to share another great and healthy recipe with you. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell, like and comment. And if you are my returning subscribers, God bless you for your support. So today we will be preparing vegetable soup, and the ingredients that we will need for our vegetable soup are red, green and yellow pepper. We also need onion. We also need fresh ginger and fresh garlic, and we also need green beans and carrot and cauliflower for our soup. These are the ingredients that we need. These are the vegetables that we need for our vegetable soup. And after chopping my vegetable into pieces, here is the outcome. The green beans and the carrots, I have them in the freezer, so I just took some of them for me to consume instead of leaving the fresh one there to spoil, because sometimes I buy these vegetables and I end up not using them. So when I see they are about to spoil, I just take them and put them in the freezer and cut them into in the freezer. And you already see my garlic, my paste garlic also. And here we are processing for the cooking. So you put a pot on fire and add a tablespoon of either olive oil, coconut oil, groundnut oil, avocado oil, and you start cooking your food. Here I am here putting my onion in the warm oil so that I will start the cooking. So please don't forget to lower your gas. I forgot to lower my gas, and this is what happened. Smoke was all over the place. So always make sure you put your gas either in medium heat or in a lower heat to avoid what just happened to me. So here I am just stirring my onion, and here I am adding my fresh ginger and garlic. If you don't have fresh ginger and garlic, you can go for the dried one, the one you normally have in a bottle. So it is also okay if you don't have the fresh one. And the next thing, we will be adding our pepper to it. Red, green and yellow pepper, we already added it to it. And we will also add our carrot and green beans to our vegetable that is already on fire, and you stir everything together very well. You stir it together. Guys, thank you for your support. I can see you guys are really sharing my video. My subscribers are increasing, and the likes and comments are increasing. God bless you for your support, but your guest still need more. She needs your help, so continue to share and my God will bless you. So we also need dry parsley leaf or fresh one, depends on the one you have at home. So you just put some flakes of dried or fresh parsley leaf, and I also need some dried flakes pepper. I also added it to it just for me to I love to eat I love pepper, so I love a lot of pepper in my food. I don't know why, I just love eating pepper. So as you can see, you turn it around again, you continue turning. Then now we are going to proceed with other things, other spices like black pepper. I also love using a lot of black pepper, and I will also be using turmeric today. I love using turmeric. If you have been following me, you will know that I hardly go without adding turmeric to any of my food. So you still, once you add all the spices to it, always make sure you turn it so that the taste will go around your food. Then I will also be adding my cauliflower, which is the main vegetable for our soup today. So you put your cauliflower, you add it to your already the vegetable that you are cooking, and turn it very well. Yes, you have to turn it very well. And the next thing we will also need for our soup, which I mentioned earlier, is my turmeric. Yeah, I will be adding a teaspoon of turmeric to it. You can skip it, it's optional. It's just that me, I like my food to be yellow. If it is soup, I like it to be yellow. If it is rice, I like it to be yellow. So that's why I normally add turmeric to every of my food if it is possible. So I just added a teaspoon of turmeric to it. If you want, you can even just add a little. It doesn't have to be a teaspoon, or no, you can just add a pinch. It is still okay. why I still love using turmeric is that it helps in weight loss, and we also add salt to taste and a cube of mangi. That is a pieces of mangi if you wish, and you turn your food all around. And the next thing we will be adding is water. You need water to cook it. It's called vegetable soup, not just vegetable but soup. So you need water to cook it. So you add some water to it, stir it very well, and your food will be ready as soon as possible. Yes, after adding the water to it, you make sure you stir it very well so that everything will be well cooked. Once that is ready, it is now time for you to cover your soup. Yes, it is time for you to cover your soup and let it sit on a medium heat. Let it sit on a medium heat for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Yes, please guys, don't forget to like, comment and share with your friend, and my God will surely bless you. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate. I love you guys. So as you all can see, here is the soup and I'm about to cover it now. And as I said earlier, we cover and let it sit for like 10 minutes. Yes, then after 10 minutes, here is the outcome of our vegetable soup. Very beautiful and yummy. Yes, and now I will be proceeding to serve a plate of my vegetable soup. And as you all know, I prepare most of this food for myself. My family normally eats different meals, so this is for me and for me alone. So I am here serving my plate of vegetable soup, very hot, very hot. So if you can't take it while it is hot, you just let it sit for a while before eating. And here is the outcome of our vegetable soup. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing. Please don't forget to hit the subscription button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to share with your friends. Don't forget to like and comment. I love you till I come your way once again. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. One love. Bye.